Hello friends and subscribers. Welcome to the barn out here at St. Bernard Acres. I've got, as I mentioned in a previous video, I've got a few reviews I have to do. I appreciate these companies sending me these products. I get to keep them for free if I do a video review. And it's like I've told all of them, if I think it's a good product, I'll do a review on it. So let's see how this works out. This is the Seyvum PD-BL10 21 volt drill driver. I expected just a cheap Chinese knockoff. That's what I was expecting. Wasn't expecting anything. It's $65. And I can't buy a battery for my Craftsman or my DeWalt for $65. This is everything. So, my hopes were not too high. But let's get into this. Let's see what we got. See what's in the box first. All right, first off, we have a little carry bag, which is kind of nice. Even have their name on it. I wonder if they paid extra for that. An instruction book, which isn't much, but it's a drill driver. Don't need too much instructions. Got the battery charger for $65. I mean, remember this. The battery, 21 volt, 2 amp hour battery. Sockets, I guess nut drivers. A whole collection of drill bits. And I actually like the case. There's about 15 drill bits in there, wood and metal. Oh, extension for your drivers. This is, a whole selection of drivers. Different size Phillips, flat, star drivers, nut drivers. On this little rubber case. Kind of like it. I have about 7,000 of these things with the various drills I've bought. And last but not least, the drill itself. One thing I like about it already is it's very lightweight and it's small. I wish I had one of mine out here to compare it to. But this will get into places. A 25 position chuck. Variable speed on the trigger. Well, let's just see here. Looks like it has a light on it. Yep. All right, let's try it out. Let me get a bit, a regular driver bit. All right, let's put a bit in it. I don't like the little tiny bits. Open this up some. All right. Let's see what it does. A brushless motor, by the way, which I like. The brushless motor doesn't build up the heat. It doesn't wear out as fast. This is pretty wild. It's got a gauge to let me know how much battery life. Ooh, I don't have much. I didn't charge these up. This is straight out of the box. Let's try a drywall screw. Wow. It was a little bit tougher. All right. It's quiet. That's gonna be hot. Try to drive this again. Damn. All right, I like it. That is pretty powerful for such a small, compact drill. They said from dead to full charge takes about an hour. You only get one battery with it. But I think, because you know, most of my tools, every time I need one of my cordless tools, they're out here. This could stay in the house. This could be, I mean, this would be awesome for, you know, putting furniture together, just projects around the house. I wouldn't take it out, I don't think, to, you know, my construction site and, you know, pound it and beat it up like I do one of the, you know, DeWalt's or something. But this is a great little driver to have at home. I love that thing. Heck yeah. All right. So yeah, gets my approval. I'll play with all these. Yeah, if you have to. Oh, check it out. See that? If you got to reach into something really weird, this will do it. I like that. I didn't realize how that worked. All right. So, if I can get everything back in the box. I didn't try it as a drill. Let me get a bit out. Holy crap. Talk about sharp. Wow. Try to drill a hole. All right, I'll take it. Ooh, that's a hot bit. You know what? I'm not even gonna put it back in the box. I'm gonna be using this. This all go in the bag. I don't need to put it back in the box. This is going right in the shop at home. Charge it up when I get to the house. Yeah, I like it. I mean, you know, I haven't used it long term yet. But I think this is the perfect size and plenty of power to do what you need to do around your house. And I like the bag. Anything has its own bag. Yeah, stick that right on the shelf in the utility room. And always have a drill handy at the house. Can't beat it. Again, I'm saying Seyvum, I don't know. You can say it, pronounce it however you want. But that's my pronunciation. It's my pronouncing. Seyvum PD-BL10. $65 on Amazon. And like I said, I can't buy a battery for $65. This is handy. This is good for Gail to use. I don't have to worry about her tearing up my good drills. Absolutely. It's got my recommendation. And I certainly appreciate y'all watching this. We'll be getting back into this. Like I said, I have several reviews I have to do to get caught up, so you're gonna see, 3 or 4 of these over the next 3 weeks. So I can get this going. Appreciate y'all watching. I'll put a link to it in my YouTube, in the description, where you can go get it if you use my affiliate account. I probably get a few pennies on it. If I got a discount code, I don't know if I got a discount code or not. I'll look that up. But yeah, I mean, for $65, I think that's a heck of a drill. I like it. So, now I messed up this is left over from my bridge. So, this is Joe. Remember to like, share, comment, do all those kind of things. Let me know what you think about this. I appreciate you watching my review video. It gives me, some views at least. And I'm trying to bring my channel back, trying to wake it back up. I put it to sleep for a while. Now I'm trying to wake it back up. Y'all, I appreciate it. I really do. Seyvum 21 volt drill. I'm out.